going to be doing swatches of this Colourpop Cute AF. Oh yes, and it is one that is missing a reflection element, such as a mirror. But here are the colors. Let me see if their names are, yeah, here's the names of the colors on the back, if you want to pause and check that out. I'll look and see if I can find this palette on Amazon. If I can, I'll put an associated link below. I've got my lovely wife here to be my palette. So let's start swatching. See how these look. I'm just gonna, whoops, go down like this. And I'm just gonna do one swipe on each. Oh yeah. I'll go with the other hand. Yeah, these aren't bad colors. But they're definitely not like super exciting, but they're not terrible. I think out of this, I like this bronze a lot, which is this upper corner here. I like this gold a lot as well, and that's this one right here. They feel pretty smooth. They have pretty good feel to them. I don't know. Looks like they would blend okay. Let me blend that one into the yellow next to it. Yeah, it looks like they do nice with blending. So yeah, I think this is a good, yeah, it feels nice. It yeah, I feel like this is a good palette, especially if you like the colors. Let me go ahead and finish blending it out. Then I think that, yeah, if you like it, I will have hopefully a link below for you. Yeah, it blended fine. Get in there with the yellow again on top. Yeah, nice. But if you've ever used this Colourpop Cute AF, let me know. My hashtag Colourpop me. But yeah, let me know if you've ever used this one before. But I think there's some nice colors. It's not a super exciting palette, but not a bad one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.